Hi friends, my name is Sarita and I welcome you to my channel Quest, a journey to simple life. Today we'll try to learn about internships in detail. At the current pace, the hiring needs are changing and the HR is introducing new ways for talent acquisition. If the students have experience in relevant fields, it's considered to be an added advantage before applying for any entry level jobs. If you're a fresh graduate or undergraduate and if you're having experience handling projects in the past, it plays an important role in getting you the right job opportunity. Today, companies offer a lot of internship opportunities to students in respective fields so that they get practical knowledge plus they get good platform to explore and gain experience. Let's understand what is internship all about. Internship role is created by various companies sector wise so that the students get maximum exposure and learning opportunities. Internships are generally designed for students, graduates and for someone who is doing any postgraduate program, whether it's pursuing MBA, technical, HR, sales, marketing, IT, etc. Internships are a great way to get the right source for a specific task. Sometimes from internships, lot of people go on permanent roles too. As an intern, each and every candidate should give their best as it helps them to analyze their own potentials for specific tasks. So definitely internships are a great way to get experience at the initial stage of your curriculum. It gives you practical knowledge and you really get prepared for the future job scope. Now let's understand what are benefits of doing internships. Internships are a great way to explore one's potential and capabilities. It gives candidates opportunities to work with the real industries before facing the job market. While pursuing studies, the candidates get opportunities to earn as these companies offer internship opportunities and pay stipend on month basis for a specific duration of the job. It prepares candidate to be sure for future option as their internship experience is considered, and with that kind of experience a fresher stands out differently in front of other candidates with no experience at all. Now we need to understand how to get internship opportunities. Internship opportunities are available on various job portals and companies' website. You can easily find out these opportunities online as these companies promote the internship opportunities similar to other job requirements. If you check internship opportunities as per your field or subject and specific sector, you will see lot of options. These days, lot of companies hire intern for their short-term projects. Instead of hiring freelancers, they offer specific stipend to candidates and hire fresh minds to do specific jobs from respective fields. Companies too have certain criteria to hire interns. They should be from specific background, educational qualification, and communication skills along with drive to learn and explore. For example, when it's technical project, they would prefer engineering, science or computer application students. If it's hotel related project, they would prefer hotel management students. And if it's something related to management, they would prefer someone who is pursuing MBA and want to work as an intern. Companies give variety of options as per skills. The students just need to find the right one and get started. Now, as you're working as an intern, you would like to know what would be the pay structure for it. The pay structure for these internships are on the stipend basis, where the amount companies pay candidate depends on budget of the project for which they are hired. Some internship projects really pay well, while in some cases the pay could be less. The candidates get higher as per project duration and generally the duration can be between 2 to 3 months or more depending on the duration of the projects. The difference between an intern and confirmed employee is companies pay both every month, only the employees get more benefits apart from salary. So these are some of the benefits of doing internships. Internships are really great way to explore students' potentials and capabilities. These days, students are really eager to learn and gain experience in any job environment, and according to me, this drive will really take them long way. So these are some of the best tips to know how the internship market works. Now, very important note for candidates going for internship opportunities. I suggest that students should be careful and they need to make sure that they collect the confirmation letter of internship project and the amount of stipend that they will get on the paper signed by the company's hiring authority. Sometimes the candidates work hard on the internships and they don't get paid, so check the companies well before joining. Companies should also design a structured way to hire for internships and give them good opportunities to explore and earn. In short, interns and the companies together will really make a difference together, as it's win-win situation for both. I am sharing my video link of Intern Theory job portal with all the viewers who are looking for internship opportunities, as the portal is designed only for internship opportunities with the intention to help the interns get all internship jobs at one platform. Sharing the link below for your reference. I hope this information was helpful. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon below so that it motivates me to create more good content. I have made various videos on the job scope in the market which will help you to get the right career guidance. So would suggest you all to explore the other videos too. Share the YouTube channel link with others too so that it reaches maximum people and someone in need gets benefited. Support the initiative to help students and professionals get the right kind of opportunities. Thank you so much.